Somebody asked me recently why I have a polytunnel if it's too hot in the summer for the tomatoes. And it's a pretty easy question to answer. It's because it's not always summer. And so the polytunnel is used, all the way through the whole of the year. And even in summer, when it's too hot, shelter from the wind and the rain is still really valuable. But the serious point is, it is too hot sometimes in summer for tomatoes and peppers and cucumbers and courgettes and the like. It's just too hot for the fruits to set reliably, and so you just don't get full fruit set. And it's not often due to not having pollinators in the polytunnel. It's due, as I say, to it being too hot. So I tend to always err on the side of having my doors open, and my criteria generally is wind, because all of my plants are just on strings, and so they do get bashed about a bit if it's too windy. So I've got two doors in my polytunnel. I tend to have both doors open during the day if it's not windy, and if it's windy I'll have one door partly closed like it is today and the other door fully open like this, so I get nice airflow all the way through the polytunnel all the way through the day. At night, depends how cold it's going to be, but I'm never closing the doors at this time of year because it's always above 10 degrees centigrade, and that is just fine for everything that's in here. So I don't really bother. I'm always erring on the side of improving ventilation, because I find that the plants really thrive in that sort of conditions. So for them, not too hot, not too cold, not too windy, and they're fine. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.